Thinking about using Cloudways? Before you sign up, stop for 30 seconds because most people end up paying full price when they could have claimed a discount through the latest Cloudways coupon offer. But here's the bigger question. Is Cloudways actually worth it in 2026? Let's find out. If you're a blogger, affiliate marketer, freelancer, agency owner, or WordPress user, you've probably faced at least one of these problems. Slow website speed, frequent downtime, poor core web vitals, traffic growth that your hosting can't handle. The truth is that many website owners outgrow shared hosting much faster than they expect. And that's exactly why Cloudways has become such a popular choice. Unlike traditional shared hosting, Cloudways gives you managed cloud hosting. That means better speed, dedicated resources, stronger security, automatic backups, and easy scalability as your website grows. You can launch websites on powerful cloud providers like DigitalOcean, Volta, AWS, and Google Cloud, all from one simple dashboard. And the best part, you don't need any technical expertise to manage it. Whether you're running a blog, business website, online store, or client projects, Cloudways makes cloud hosting surprisingly simple. Now let's talk about the savings. The latest Cloudways coupon code and promotional offer are available through the first link in the description. I don't display the exact code in this video because Cloudways promotions can change over time. Instead, that link always takes you to the latest available discount so you can claim the best offer before signing up. If you're serious about improving your website's speed, performance, and reliability, Cloudways is definitely worth considering. And before you create your account, make sure you check the description and grab the latest Cloudways discount first. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.